In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Over here. Now choose All Services. Scroll again and this time click on Autofill with Google. Following that, choose Google Password Manager and click on Add Password at the top. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to make them visible, click on Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on and log in into any app, like Facebook. Then you will see this pop-up. You need to choose Continue and this way add your first password to Google Passwords Manager. Then go back to Autofill with Google Settings. And if you see this pop-up again, you can tap on Save. Then you can always delete your password later on and be sure your settings will be visible. Hit Google Password Manager. And as you can see, my password is over here. Now, when you have all of those options accessible, you can finally hit Add Password at the top. Now input all of those informations. At the top, type in any website. You can also tap on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!